Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to make purple sweet potatoes donuts, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. YouTube friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Purple sweet potatoes. Sliced purple sweet potatoes. One tablespoon sugar. Instant pot steam for 25 minutes. After steaming, take it out and mash it into puree. Prepare nuts. Add 1 tablespoon oat and mix well. Roll into a ball and make a hole in the middle. Nuts on sweet potatoes donuts. Egg into bowl and mix well. Brush egg liquid on donuts. fryer at 175 degrees for 25 minutes. Purple sweet potatoes oatmeal donuts is done. Smells so good. This donut is not overly sweet, and it has the flavor of oatmeal and is delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Chinese New Year is around the corner. There are more delicious sweet potatoes and CNY recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.